Eh yung Gen Z, hindi na napipilit yan eh. Hindi na yan nadadaan sa galit. Iniiwanan ka. Hindi nila kasalanan yon. Sa 10 tao, 9 umalis, ikaw na may problema. Kung isa lang, pwedeng sila pa may problema. Eh kaso kung sa 10 tao, siya may problema. It's not about Gen Zs. Sobrang happy ako with my book. Pinakita ko naman to sa'yo. Hindi, pero ang pinaka-happy ako with my book, ang dami nagtatanong kasi sa akin, during my paternity leave, di ba, nag-paternity leave ako, wala akong ginagawa. Sabi ko, ano kaya pwede kong gawin? So I wrote a book. Bakit ko to sinulat? Ito, sobrang proud ako dito sa book. Lagi ko tong sinasabi. This was not made out of quote-unquote theory or concepts or principles. This was collected and collated from my 2 years worth of minutes. Alam mo yung mga boardroom meetings, minutes of the meeting. Syempre, tinanggal ko yung mga private and confidential. Pero the actual frameworks that built every single organization I'm with right now. Yung exact, ano ba tawag nila dyan? Yung gameplay, the exact blueprint, the strategic blueprint na gamit ng mga kumpanya natin ngayon. Sa totoo lang, I collected them all, I collated them, then this is what it is. Kaya kung sa totoo lang, kung gusto mo malaman paano ko mag-isip, what would Coach Migs do for a specific organizational problem or for a specific sales problem or for a specific business development problem, ito na yon. Kaya ang kapal niyan eh. Kunwari, maraming tatanong, posible ba talaga na you can go on vacation and yet your company operates and grows even without you?
Usually pag iisipin, baliw ka eh.
Oo, di ba? Pangalawa, ito yung lagi ko sinasabi eh, majority of the time, yung mga may-ari, kaya nga sila nagnegosyo kasi gusto nilang lumaya. Magkaroon ng tinatawag na time and financial freedom. Pero bakit nung nagkaroon sila ng negosyo, mas malaya pa sila nung empleyado pa lang sila kesa nung negosyante na sila? Kasi now, from the moment they wake up all the way to the moment they sleep, they're doing business. They're working. Many of them may pera. Quote-unquote, ang laki ng cash flow. Alam mo kung anong problema? Hindi makapagbakasyon. May pera ka nga, hindi ka naman makapag-enjoy, hindi ka makapagbakasyon. Para saan pa yung pera mo? Aanhin mo yung digits in your mobile app if you cannot even have the time to enjoy it.
So ito na yung sagot ko.
And so, what's the problem? Ang lagi kong sinasabi, you don't have an expertise problem. You are an expert.
Okay.
But what do you have a problem? You have a system and structure problem. You did not put in and install systems and structures sa iyong kumpanya, kaya hindi ka makapagbakasyon. Alam mo kung anong meron to?
Ano?
Page 1. Oh, tanong ko sa'yo, may sistema ka na ba dyan? Basahin mo, isa-isa. Kahit hindi mo basahin ng ano ha. Yeah. Oh. Sales structure pa lang yan.
Page
Ilan
1
yan?
pa lang audit na kaagad.
Audit na agad. Page 2. Hanggang pricing. Revenue per account. Lead to close conversion ratio. Sales cycle length. Nababantayan mo ba yung sales cycle length o hindi? O basta may nag-inquire, bahala na si Batman kung paano yung mag-lead. Hindi pwede.
Baka yung iba nga di
Dapat nagko-convert lahat. Yung iba, hindi pa nga alam ano yung ibig sabihin ng sales cycle length. Marketing. Brand identity.
Ito.
Hindi, legit, either HR, leadership development, career mapping and succession, finance, financial decision. O yung iba, kaya ka nananakawan kasi wala kang sistema and structure in finance. How do you build your assets? Paano ka mag-skill if you don't know how to build your asset? Operations. Na-stress test mo na ba yan? Wow, big word, stress test. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Nandito na rin, babasahin mo na lang.
Parang audit pa lang, ang dami ko nagigip na.
And then founder dependent. Ngayon, syempre, ang dami nagtatanong, Coach, okay, may problema. Anong solusyon? Ang lagi ko sinasabi, hindi mo na kailangan, pwede mo to, if you want to learn from Coach Migs himself as if he mentored you, read the entire thing. Read the entire thing. Pero, if gusto mo lang ng parang isang tanong, isang sagot,
Okay.
itanong mo kay Coach Bigs,
Sa inner
kumbaga
room.
ganon, pwede ka magtanong sa inner room or just find the ano mo dyan?
Anong problem?
Punta ka na agad sa page number. Anong gusto mo? Sales?
Okay.
Rekta na tayo agad. Page 81.
Okay.
Kasama sa sales ang understanding your buyers. Financial behavior.
May psychology of money pa.
Psychology of money. Kasi kailangan maintindihan mo yun eh. Kaya wala kang benta pa minsan. Hindi naman dahil kulang ka sa skills. Kasi feeling mo, yung psychology mo is not built to making money.
So kung gusto ko maging katulad ni Coach Migs,
Sa pagbebenta na meron na akong skills but I also have the soul to receive and attract as many sales as I can. This is the psychology is what made me the highest case counter for 2 straight years in the height of pandemic either.
okay.
It was not really because of my skills. Ask me why.
Bye.
Kasi pinasok ko naman sa inyo lahat ng skills eh.
Totoo.
Tinuro ko na, binigay ko na kung ano yung method. Pero ba't ako nagawa ko, ba't kayo hindi? What sets it different is the psychology. Sinama ko na dito para gets nyo bakit.
Okay.
Now, lahat ng ito, this is theologically, scientifically, and psychologically aligned. Gusto mong spiritual? May Bible verse. Gusto mo ng science? May scientific. Gusto mo psychological? May psychology.
Lahat sagot.
For those 3 things. Pero ito, tinan mo, groups of you need to understand who your buyers are. If you don't understand who your buyers are, present ka ng isang templated pitch sa isang tao, tataka ka, ba't hindi gumagana? There are 4 financial identities.
Okay.
4 kinds of buyers. So kung isa lang ang template mo ng pagbebenta, you're just what? Tapping 25%. Based on statistics, 10% lang ang closing average mo. So 10% of 25% is what? 2.5%. Ang baba ng conversion rate mo at 2.5%.
What out of every 40 people? Baka
Diba?
baka.
Ang baba nun. My conversion does not go below 20%. Why? Because I understand this. Chapter 14 pa lang yan.
Hindi pwedeng temptated ang lahat.
Ngayon, yung iba, negosyante.
Okay.
Nandito agad yan kung gusto mo negosyante. Anong klaseng structure ang gagawin mo?
Tapos mukhang para siya na ano, hindi siya mukhang like yung basta-basta ka na dito. Mukhang siyang playbook talaga.
Is literally a playbook. Metrics that matter. Chapter 34. Ito, sample
Okay.
Scoreboards revealed what you value. Many people, especially businesses, organizations, they just put isa lang ang strategy nila which is the worst strategy.
Okay.
Work hard. Why is that a problem for me? If you do one thing wrong, even if you multiply it 10 times, that's still wrong. So kung 10 times ka work hard, sabi nila 10x, massive action, mali nga. So ano lang meron ka?
Mali pa rin.
Pagod. Pagod ka, drained, exhausted, burnt out. Bakit? Massive action mo yung bagay na mali. Mali nga eh. So alamin mo muna what's right before you do your massive action. So how will you do it? Kailangan may tracker ka. Meron kang scoreboard. Paano gumawa ng scoreboard? Nilagay ko na dito. You gotta start tracking profit, not just revenue. You gotta start tracking the contribution per employee, not just their quote-unquote, are they doing their tasks. You gotta start tracking behaviors of your people, not just their presence. In sales, for example, alam mo agad from tao, ilan nakausap, ilan na close, magkano, anong retention ng mga kliyente na yan, lagay ka ng notes. KPIs. Kung pag sinabing KPI, hindi lang siya pwedeng basta-basta KPI. Ang KPI has to be profit aligned.
Dapat may naibabalik siya sa negosyo.
Yes. May output metrics ka, behavioral metrics, health metrics. Kasama yan, culture, team moral, burnout risk. Ang most people, most organizations, output lang pinapataas. Hindi nila chinek yung health metrics. Di bumaba yung moral, hindi mo nga yung paangatin yan. Kahit anong sales rally mo dyan, 1 month, they will be motivated Month number 2 hanggang month number 5, they're demotivated. Month number 6, sales rally ka na naman, pa-incentive ka na naman, travel, motivated. Month 7 to month 11, demotivated again.
Parang ano
Tapos sasabihin mo, kasalanan ng Gen Z. Ulul. Wala sa generation yun. Hindi ka kasi marunong, kaya hindi mo ma-activate yung Gen Z. Diba? Ang alam mo lang, lahat dadaanin sa galit, lahat dadaanin sa reklamo, lahat dadaanin sa pagpilit. Eh yung Gen Z, hindi na napipilit yan eh. Hindi na yan nadadaan sa galit. Iniiwanan ka. Hindi nila kasalanan yon. Sa 10 tao, 9 umalis, ikaw na may problema. Kung isa lang, pwedeng sila pa may problema. Eh kaso kung sa 10 tao, siya may problema. It's not about Gen Zs. If you know how to activate them, nang hindi nadadaan lagi sa galit, sa pangungontrol, pamimilit, they will work with you and for you. Motivated. They're gonna be, I tell you, there's an e-commerce that I'm working with right now. In 7 days, nakagawa kami ng 5 brand. I'm not saying lahat yung puputok agad ng malakasan.
Yeah.
Sabihin mo ng matalo 3. May 2 pumutok. Malaki hindi.
Okay.
Ask me what's the best part.
What's the best part?
7 people. Hindi per brand all. 7 pa rin lang tao ko eh. Okay lang.
Lean. Sobrang lean.
Activated.
Oo.
Lugi ako? Hindi. Kasi kahit sabihin mo, 3 hindi gumana, pero bawi ko naman yung mga ROI naman ako sa lahat ng kinapital ko dyan eh. 2 lang pumutok pa rin yon pre. Tama?
Tama.
Here's the best part. We see the first sale
Okay.
on day number 8. All the planning is done in 7 days.
Oo.
All content strategy, all content planning, all content banking is done in 7 days. All 5 brands. The content plan happened, lahat ng content plan na to, 30 days per brand. Naka-ready na. Oh. Tinanong ko, burnout kayo? Hindi, coach. Pukpukin niyo pa kami. Wala na, ba't ko pa kayo pupukpukin? Okay na muna yan.
Oo.
Sila na yung naghahanap, naghahabol. Hindi yung sila yung stop muna. Bakit? Motivated, activated. Ilang taon tong mga to? 21?
Yeah.
Oh. Tapos sabihin nyo sa akin, Gen Z may mali? Di ka lang marunong. Lahat kasi dinadaan mo sa init ng ulo. Nandito na yan. Di ako galit. Passionate lang. Nandito na yan. So, kailangan build a rhythm that makes data. So, everything, no? Nandyan yan. I keep this for your notes para pwede kang mag-drawing. Oh.
Kaya pala.
Okay? So, even my own sales story, even my own stories nandito. 1.5 lang.
Akin na to.
Kunin mo na.
Akin na to.
Okay. Basahin mo legit. Tapos, you tell me what's your insight based on how I think.